Hey learners, hope you all are doing well. Welcome to my channel Learn with Ajit More. I'm back with one more project demonstration. But before starting with today's demonstration, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do that by clicking on the bell icon so that you will get timely notifications. Today I have come with one project which is an Android based project. Very simple project. The name of the project is My Quotes app. Okay, I'm sure after seeing the demonstration, you'll really like this project. You'll enjoy this project. And if you have any inquiry related to this project, you can directly contact us, or you can visit on our website, that is projectswithajitmore.in. In this project, there are two main modules. One module is the client module, in which client can view quotes in different categories like inspiration, love, philosophy. Different categories of quotes are there. Okay, so the quotes of different famous personalities like APJ Abdul Kalam, Swami Vivekananda, Veer Savarkar, all these famous personalities quotes, you can keep it in different categories. Okay, so all that quotes client can view, and there is one more option called copy quotes. Once you copy that quote, you can paste it at any place. You can paste it on Instagram, you can paste it in your WhatsApp group, so that you can share this quotes with your friends on different social media platforms. Second module of this application is admin, where admin will do different CURD operation on this quotes, like add quote or delete quote, view all the quotes. You can search any quote. Okay, so all these different, you can even edit it, that is update the quote. All these operations are given to this admin. The database which we have used in this is SQLite. Okay, so SQLite is a default database for all Android platforms. Okay, now without wasting time, quickly we'll see the demonstration of this project. I'll come to Android Studio. Already I have started this application. When you run this application, you'll see this interface. You can see there are different categories like love, motivation, English, success, life, and whenever you click on it, you'll be able to see the quote and then the author of that quote. You can move to the next quote, previous quote, and even you can copy this quote. Getting it? Like if I go to motivation section, you can see there are quotes. As you go on next, it will keep showing you the next quote or previous quote. Even you can copy this quote. Okay, once it is copied, you can paste it in different platforms. Okay, and then different categories are there. Even there is one interface called admin. When you click on admin, you'll get an admin login. Admin login I have provided as admin@gmail.com. And the password which I have provided is admin. Click on the login button, you'll get the admin interface. You can see here the different codes are listed. There's one plus button. When you click on it, you'll get an interface to add a new code, the code, then the writer of the code, in which category that code belongs. Similarly, you can edit the previous codes by clicking on this, and you can make the appropriate changes. Even you can delete the code. So all these standard operations, that is the CURD operations, are given to admin part. Okay? So I hope you enjoyed this very basic application. Anyone interested in this application and interested in enhancing it, you can sure contact us on our platform, that is projectswithajitmore.in, or you can directly comment it in the comment box. Thank you very much. Keep watching, keep learning, and soon I'll come with few more projects. Take care.